Hello children, today we are learning to find missing number using the additional formula. The word additional here means extra, so meaning we will learn a new formula to find the missing number. I can find missing number using bracket minus is plus, the rest is minus. Let's read this together. Bracket minus is plus, the rest is minus. So this is the additional formula that we will learn to use today. For today's Energizer, please click the video link provided in the Google Classroom. After that, you can come back to this video to continue on with today's lesson. Missing number minus 48 is equals to 52. So we can see that missing number is also the bracket. So to find the missing number using the additional formula, first we need to look at the first two in the equation. So the first two in this equation is bracket minus. So if the first two in the equation is bracket minus, means to find the missing number, we need to plus, because bracket minus is plus. So 48 plus 52 is equals to 100. So the missing number is 100. Missing number minus 45 is equals to 23. So to find the missing number, we need to look at the first two. The first two in this equation is bracket minus. So we know that if the first two in the equation is bracket minus, so to find the missing number, we need to plus, because bracket minus is plus. So 45 plus 23 is equals to 68. So the missing number in this equation is 68. Let's try another question. Missing number plus 26 is equals to 57. So as usual, we need to look at the first two of the equation. So for this equation, the first two are bracket plus. So is this a bracket minus? No, it's not. Since it is not a bracket minus, so it is the rest. So meaning to find the missing number for this equation, we need to minus, because the rest is minus. So 57 minus 26 is equals to 31. So the missing number for this equation is 31. Let's try another one. 50 plus missing number is equals to 73. So let's look for the first two in this equation. The first two for this equation are 50 plus. So is this a bracket minus or not? No, it's not a bracket minus. So if it's not a bracket minus, do we need to plus or minus to find the missing number? We need to minus, because the rest is minus. So 73 minus 50 is equals to 23. So the missing number for this equation is 23. Now let's try the last equation. 91 minus missing number is equals to 45. Now let's look for the first two. What are the first two for this equation? The first two for this equation are 91 minus, and it is still not a bracket minus. So if it's not a bracket minus, how do we find the missing number for this equation? Do we need to plus or minus? We need to minus because the rest is minus. So 91 minus 45 is equals to 46. So the missing number for this equation is 46. Okay, children, for today's task, please complete the worksheet in the Google Classroom. After you have done so, please send your completed work back into Google Classroom in today's lesson. That's it for today's lesson. Take care and stay safe.